Well, we got this lawnmower here, a Remington RMA 2S5 with it's a self-propelled lawnmower with no auto choke. So you can see the primer, and it's 140cc with a Powermore engine, and it's an overhead valve engine. See, it's Remington front-wheel drive. Looks like it's in pretty good condition, except the back wheels look a bit worn out, particularly the front ones, just because they're dirty. Here's the Remington bag for mulch of this lawnmower. So this lawnmower is a 21-inch lawnmower. It's pretty cool. So for this lawnmower, a Powermore engine, it carries 10W30 oil. Ever since I did that first start, the last episode, that was the first start for the season. That's the oil. It's kind of dripping around. It's kind of dripping a bit. And around here, you have your muffler, the exhaust. These nuts here, these bolts, that's what brings the bar down. So let's take a look under. It's pretty good here. I'm not sure because we never sharpened the blade yet for a while, but it's pretty good. Okay, now this is for your side discharge. And for your cutting heights. It takes a few times to start it. In fact, I'll start it in a minute. So this is your bag. Sometimes it has trouble trying to start. So it's just like the front wheel. I'll show you the front wheel drive. And yeah. Let's see how it starts without the primer. See, it does nothing. Now we'll probably start one pull. See, one pull. And you see the bag hit blows right up as you start it. So, yeah, this is my grandma's yard. So, yeah, it has a bit of trouble trying to start without priming it. So we'll just pull the bag off. And I'll just go around there. See, it runs pretty well. So let me just raise the cutting height. You got from 1 to 6 over here. It raises it up. Same thing for the front. If you have a single lever lawnmower, it'll put you it'll do all the wheels at the same time. But for this model, it takes 2 levers. See, it lifts it up. So it's not gonna touch the grass that easily. So let's just raise the, here's what it looks like. Like, you already seen it, with the cutting height low. So I'm just gonna put it, I'm just gonna lower it to 2. And pull it. Yeah, it runs smoothly. Kind of sputters a little bit. See, we just ran it for a bit, and I didn't have to prime it to get it to start. So we'll just put the bag back on. It even came with a side discharge. I'll put that on later. It's got a handle right here.